Now let's look at line breaks in InDesign. So when we work with text in InDesign, we want to make line breaks. And we have two different options that is good to know that we use all the time in the program. So I have just turned on hidden characters so we can see this a bit better. So I have just opened an article right here that I'm currently working on. And as you can see, we have this one paragraph right here. And the first line break you will use to create another paragraph. So let's say that I have this paragraph right here, and I want to add another paragraph to this. So let's say that my text ends right here. I can just press enter, and it has just created a new paragraph. And you can see that every time you see this paragraph symbol right here, that means that this is a paragraph, and this is a paragraph as well. And you can see that when I now created a new line break right here, it has added some space because we have 2mm spaces right here. So what I've just created right here is a hard line break, also called a hard return. And that is just standard for creating a new paragraph. But let's say that we don't actually want to create a new paragraph, but we still want to remove some text down to another line, but not create it into a new paragraph. So let's just try to go back right here. I'll just show you another example. So let's say that we want this text right here to go down to the another line, or we want to like move it down to this line. And we don't want to create it into a new paragraph. We can actually create what is called a soft line break instead. And we create this by just clicking Shift and then Enter. And as you can see, we have just removed this text down to the another line, and we haven't created a new paragraph to this section. So this is still one paragraph, as you can see. But there is now this symbol right here, as you can see, and that means that this is a soft line break, also called a soft return. And yeah, that is actually the process to like force text to another line. So I can also do it as an example right here. Clicking Shift Enter, and it will move the text down to the another line. If you don't want to use the shortcuts, you can also right click on the place you would like to either create a soft line break or a hard line break. Just right click here, and you can find it in, go down to Insert Break Character. You can choose either the forced line break or the normal line break right here. And as you can see, I've actually also used this as an example in my sub-chapter right here. That's because I want this to be one paragraph, because it's like one text. And I could also have done that with just creating this. And the reason why I didn't create just a normal hard line break is because if I had some spacing on my text as an example, it would actually affect this paragraph. And because I create a soft paragraph instead, it doesn't affect my paragraph, because this is now a one paragraph instead of two different ones, as you can see right here. So yeah, I hope this makes sense. There is the hard line break return that you use to create a new paragraph to your text. And there's the soft line break, which you use to move text down to the another line and still keeping the same paragraph.